Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? It is November and it is my Boxycharm or slash Ipsy. So if you want to see what I get in my Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let us go for the products that I got in my Ipsy box. So this is the base box. So we have a locked-in hand cream for dry skin.
I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more.
Let's go ahead and give this a little testy test.
Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truth.
So this smell, it says it nourishes and protects. Oh, this smells good. This is amazing. And it feels really good and not greasy. So this is a good one. This is a good one. So we're off to a good start. Our other product is from Luna Beauty and it is a blush. It is the Moon Prism liquid blush and this one is in shade Fuchsia. So I'm guessing like a pinky. I don't know, Manny, you better like come through for the girls with this blush, because you know most of these blushes are like they don't show up. So this might be good. This might be good. We will test it out today. So this is what my second product. So let us jump. So I only have 5 products in this box because it is the base box. We have a mascara from Iconic London and it is a brown mascara.
She's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not.
I think that's like my only brown mascara that I have, because I usually just go for black, but we're gonna test her out today. Yep, this is pretty good. We'll see. We'll definitely test this out. So this is 3 products. We have 2 more to go. So our other product is actually a concealer and this is from Alleyoop. I love the brush. I use this brush all the time. It's a little on the dirty side. I need to wash it, but so we're gonna use the concealer. And it has a little applicator right here. I hate those. So, and the concealer looks like so. Not really. I was smelling to see if it had any smell, but not really. And then last but not least, oh my god, we have a palette. Is it a face palette or? Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. So, which looks like it is the Rose and Wood palette, which looks like so pretty basic, you know, nothing crazy.
Whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this.
But Let's jump into her and create a look. This is an E17 from Morphe. We're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this here. So there is a little bit of kickback. Is it anything insane? No, but there is a little bit. In the middle, I'm actually gonna put like this brown shade, and then I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a T14, and I'm gonna go into that darker shimmer and put it right here. And then I'm gonna go in the inner corner with that lighter shade. Okay, perfect. So I know this is really simple and cute, but I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and let us test out this little, mascara. So it is from Iconic London. And it is the Triple Threat Mascara in shade Brown. And I'm also gonna test out this concealer from dupe out from Alleyoop, which has my favorite brush. So, and this is $22. So this is the Alleyoop one. I think it's a little dark, but it's fine. I like my concealer a little bit lighter than this, but I got this in my Boxycharm, so I was like, oh, it's a good dupe. So I'm gonna do this here, here, and here. And now I'm gonna use this, I think it's Morphe V108 to blend the Alleyoop. This blend really nice too. This is really pretty. I think this would be really nice for like a kind of a no makeup day kind of situation. We're also gonna test out this Luna Beauty blush. I don't know. I'll give my final thoughts at the end of the video. So this is the Luna Beauty blush that I got in my Boxycharm. And then this is a Ruce angle brush. Okay, so let us talk about the products that I got in my Boxycharm. So this is the base box. I always say Boxycharm, but it's technically Ipsy, but I started with Boxycharm, and when they got bought, I just got moved over. So the first product was from Alleyoop. The concealer is actually really, really nice. I like how, do I still have fine line? 100%, but it's not anything, insane. So I like that. And that is $22. The palette is from Natasha Denona. I love her palette. I have multiple palettes from her, and yeah, so that's no surprise that it works great. I actually like the brown mascara. You can't even tell the difference that I'm wearing brown or black, so I like that. And that is $28. Let's jump into that blush. That blush was actually very pretty. Very pretty from Luna Beauty, and it's the Moon Prism liquid blush in Fuego Fuchsia, and that's $25. Last but not least is the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. That one I actually passed it on my hand, and I can still feel my hands being very soft, however not greasy. And that's $26. Total is $149. I paid $30 plus tax. I think $34.46 or something to that level or whatever, or if it's $32 plus tax or whatever. I don't know. So this one, it was actually really good. The December box. The only thing I had that wasn't makeup was the hand lotion. Everything, concealer, palette, mascara, and blush. So everything else was makeup. So pretty good box, right? So yeah, so that's it guys for this December Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.